Alright guys, welcome back to the last video in this service series. What I'm going to be doing is adjusting the clutch cable and just lubing that one up, and then that's pretty much the service done. So the only things you're going to need for this job are some spring pliers and a little bit of multi-purpose oil or cable oil. So underneath the handlebars here, you're going to have a little spring clip which you're going to need to get off with your pliers. Don't lose it, because you'll need to pop that one back on later. Now this is as simple as pushing the pin out. Now spray a bit of WD-40 into the clutch boot here, and that should pop up. As you can see, I don't have much room here, so I'm going to take that off. And there we go. Now you're able to adjust the clutch. For this, you're going to need 9/16 and a half inch. There we go. Loosen it up, just a little bit more play there now, so we can get the clutch lever off. What you want to do is twist these all the way to the top to give yourself some more free play, so you can remove the clutch cable from the handlebars. Obviously after spraying some WD-40 on it, it does get quite slippery, but you'll find up the top we now have some play. So now you've got all this extra free play. What you can do, pull your clutch cable through, and there you have it. Now you want to remove this pin. So now you've removed that pin, you can actually get to your clutch cable. What you want to do, get your lubricant and pour it down. You want an oil lubricant, not a WD-40, because WD-40, because it's silicone based, I believe, it will end up becoming sticky because it tracks the dirt. Now you don't have to do this, but I'm just jiggling it. Make sure all the oil goes down. Obviously, due to gravity, it will find its way down, but I'm just helping it out here a little bit. So once you've done that, put it back together, put your pin back through your clutch cable. Slide it in. Pull it back through. Now put your pin back through the top. And then you want to get your spring clip and pop that back on like that. Obviously you can see we've still got all this free play, so now what we're going to do is tighten the clutch back up. So it's the reverse of before. You want to start winding it down and check the clutch up the top, see what the free play feels like. That feels pretty good. And once again, you want to tighten it back up. Pull your boot back down over the top. For me, I'm going to chuck this clip back in. And there we have it. So there you have it guys, we've now completed the service on the Harley Sportster. If there's anything you do differently or something that I've missed, please let me know in the comments. And like always, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks.